Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss about how to start freelancing career. In start, I'll let you know, nothing will be done successfully without experience. In nowadays, there is lot of competition in freelancing. So there is only way to stand out from the crowd to win clients and projects, that is experience and portfolio. As a successful freelancer, there are 3 steps in my opinion. If you follow this step, I'll show you definitely you will succeed. Majority of people leave freelancing because of they will not enhance their skills, just focusing on to earn money. So they go to freelancing platform and start working. In the end, they will not deliver the quality. In result, they will get negative reviews or feedback that affect their repute on that platform, and majority of leave because of disappointment, not getting more work. And one thing that I'm telling you, vast majority tech founders, CEOs started their careers from freelancing. If you are beginner in freelancing, go with the aims that you will enhance your skill. With the passage of time, you will grow into a design agency or software house. If you are person with the aims, you will do. Simple example, if you're not buying lottery ticket, how you win the lottery prize? So similar, if you don't have aim, how you will grow? So our very first step is very basic and simple. Learn a skill and become master of that skill. You have to decide what skill you have to learn. You have to decide according to your nature. Like if you are good in math, to carry out programming will easy for you. If you feel you are creative, then go with the graphic designing, illustration. There are thousands of skills that you learn online, like digital marketing, game designing, SEO, etc. And I personally recommend start when you feel now your skill is on intermediate level. So if your skill is on intermediate level and you are not getting work from the freelancing platform, so you need portfolio. Our second step is portfolio. Build your portfolio. In start, work for free to create portfolio after offer trials to client. That will definitely boost your confidence. And with the trials, there are a lot of chances to win projects, and it will also increase your skill level. And you may also find some freelancers in your area. Join them and offer them your services on discount rates. It will also help to build your portfolio. One more thing that I'll recommend you to build a website for yourself to showcase your portfolio. It will create your identity and easily clients will reach you, and website will boost your sale and business. I'm not telling you in this video how to create a website. There are thousands of tutorials on YouTube how to create a website. You may search them. So let's move to our third step, and our third step is choose wisely the freelancing platform, because every freelancing platform is different from another. Like Fiverr, you have to create a gig and sell your services. Client will see your services on your gig, and then if you like, then definitely order. And there is another famous freelancing platform, that is Upwork. On Upwork, you have to bid on a project. If you will win the bid, then you will have to work with that client or that project. So I'll create a video on the comparison of Upwork and Fiverr. That will help you. I'll also share some tips for freelancer how to grow in my other videos. Hope so this video helped you a lot. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get my more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.